We just went for a run. Sounds like it's going to rain soon, so perfect timing. Making some breakfast, so we got the oats, the raisins, the soy milk, the cinnamon, and we've got banana for Scott, and I'm going to try fresh guava for the first time today, so I'm pretty excited about that. And we have some spice loaf with Scott will have jam and I'll have peanut butter. So I ran out of gas when I was baking the cake, and we just got a new gas bottle full. So fingers crossed that the cake, or the cake brownie, whatever you like to call it, is going to bake properly. If not, it's probably a waste of money and a bit of a flop. So I was just organising some YouTube things, just sharing some of my content online, and we're going to go to the nearest town so we can get some fruits and vegetables. But when we walked outside, it appears that the police are stopping everybody that drives past. And we heard from a local that apparently when the police get a bit bored here, they like to stop everyone, and then they decide that they're going to sometimes take things from them, I guess. We heard about it, we didn't actually realise we were going to witness it